Viral Valet Review. What's up, awesome people? Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the latest and greatest tools to help you thrive online. Do you ever feel like you're constantly chasing the algorithm, desperately trying to figure out what the next big thing is? Imagine having a secret key that unlocks the vault of viral content, allowing you to effortlessly create videos that grab attention and skyrocket your growth. Intrigued? You should be. Let's dive in. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a game-changing piece of software called Viral Valet. Think of it as your automated viral video creation powerhouse. This innovative web application empowers anyone, regardless of their experience, to capitalize on trending videos across major social platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. It's all about leveraging the piggyback method, ethically recreating viral hits to gain massive visibility. The beauty of Viral Valet lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It does the heavy lifting for you by identifying hot trends and providing you with a treasure trove of viral videos ready for you to adapt. Forget about staring at a blank screen, wondering what to create. With its intuitive tools, you can effortlessly craft split-screen videos that keep viewers hooked, stitch together engaging narratives, and add your own reactions to trending content, all formats proven to capture attention and boost shares. One of the most significant advantages is the time saved. Viral Valet eliminates the need for extensive research and analysis. It delivers a curated collection of viral content directly to your fingertips, allowing you to jump on trends the moment they emerge. But this isn't just about vanity metrics. Viral Valet is designed with monetization in mind. It opens doors for affiliate income, drives traffic to your e-commerce store, positions you as an authority for brand collaborations, and helps you build valuable email lists. And for those looking to scale their impact, the included commercial license lets you offer these powerful video creation services to clients. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the Viral Valet at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers as well. Viral Valet front end for $35. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $47. Second OTO is Picture-in-Picture Edition for $47. Third OTO is Done For You Edition for $67. Fourth OTO is Influencers Edition for $37. Lastly, the whole bundle for $297. If you're yearning for a simpler, faster, and more effective way to explode your social media growth and unlock serious income potential, then Viral Valet is your answer. Stop struggling to create original content from scratch and start leveraging the power of what's already working. Don't hesitate for a second. Click the link in the description below and secure your access to Viral Valet now. This is the catalyst your social media needs to seize the opportunity. Take action now and supercharge your content and business with Viral Valet. Thank you so much. I'll catch you later in the next video.